how to create a role divider on Discord. Today I'm going to show you how to create role divider or rather role categories on Discord so you can separate roles. Now as you can see here, every single role is already separated. But what if you wanted one bot role for all of these bots? Now the first thing you can do is go to your server in server settings and create a bot role. Just click create role and name the role what you want. And now you are going to want to make sure, and this is very important, that you have this turned on here to want to drag that role above all the others, or at least all the ones that you want it to be grouped into. So you can see the bot roles was above all the roles. So now we have created this role. You can save changes, close out, and now add that role to anything that you want to be in there. Now as you can see, I've added about both members to the bottom role, and they're all grouped under the bot role tag or role category. Now you can do this with anything you want, in any way you want. If this video helped you out, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.